Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome back to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my top 3 meme coins to make a boatload of money this bull cycle without exposing yourself to the risk that new meme coin launches bring. I'll be sharing with you 3 established meme coins that I believe have a ton of upside as we accelerate into this cycle. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So before I get into what these 3 meme coins are in this video, I want to go over Bitcoin because Bitcoin has just broken out of a 227-day sideways range. That is 8 months of chopping around. Bitcoin has broken out to the upside here. It's now in price discovery at $76,200. The price has never been this high before. So it's super important to understand that we are in a bull market. And don't fight the trend here. The trend is up. Altcoins are still lagging compared to Bitcoin. Many of them are putting in some very bullish setups right now, looking for a breakout. Also, Ethereum is trading at $2,900. A lot of people in the crypto world were saying Ethereum is completely toast and just basically ragdolling Ethereum the past few weeks and months. I was on my live streams every single day telling you Ethereum is bottomed out. It is sitting on its bull market trend line that goes all the way back to the bottom of the bear market. All right, so just remember who told you the exact bottom for Ethereum as it does go and make a new all-time high this cycle. Nonetheless, let's get into these top 3 meme coins. And remember, we're in a bull market and this is about to accelerate, so it is really time to pay attention. Now, meme coin number 1 for this video is going to be bonk. I know what you might be thinking, Connor, this is a $1.6 billion market cap meme coin. Why are you including this in a top 3 meme video when its market cap is already so high? Well, hear me out. This is one of the only few meme coins listed on the Coinbase exchange. Coinbase is the most popular exchange in the United States, which has a lot of crypto investors in it. And a lot of these crypto investors only use Coinbase. They don't mess around with MetaMask wallet or Telegram trading bots or any of that stuff. All right, so I wanted to include a coin that has upside that is easily accessible for everyone, and that's why I chose bonk. That still has a ton of upside. I believe it does. So again, bonk is valued at a $1.6 billion market cap. Now, they did do a airdrop to the Solana community in December of 2022. All right, so they fairly distributed this coin, and in my opinion, this is the Solana Foundation's chosen meme coin that they've been using, and they will continue to use to attract retail investors, meme coin traders to the Solana blockchain. If you look at this chart on bonk, it performed amazingly over the past year. From October of 2023 to the high in March, it went over 200x. All right, it's pulled back, but I do believe it has its next leg up coming soon. Again, bonk is the Solana Foundation's chosen meme coin in my opinion. It's listed on Coinbase as well as all the major exchanges. It's got a lot of things going for it, and I think it's going to have a big run up this cycle. Huge community as well. Here's their Twitter account, 330K followers. Everybody knows bonk. All right, everyone knows what this coin is, and again, it's very easily accessible. Now, when it comes to the chart, like many assets in crypto currently, it topped out in March over here. From that high that it made this year, it retraced as much as 74%, and it's currently down from that high 50% still from the high in March. All right, so it's up a bit off of the bottom, and let's get into this chart and go over what I'm seeing. All right, so similar to Bitcoin in an 8-month range, bonk's been in a similar pattern on the chart. Now, it has bottomed out in this fair value gap down here. As you can see, I've labeled it an FVG. Every time price has deviated below this orange line, here as well, and more recently, just over the weekend, a few days ago, it came below this orange line. And every time it's come below the orange line into this green zone, we've seen an aggressive bounce from here. I do not see bonk going lower than this green zone. All right. So here's how I would play it personally. If you don't have any exposure and you want some bonk, I think even just buying spot at these current valuations, it's going to be almost impossible not to make money. I see this going much higher and breaking out. However, Your levels to look for a pullback is going to be your daily 200 EMA, and that is pretty close to current price. It's just a few percent away, actually. It's around 9-10% away from current price, 0.0002. All right, below that is just the monthly open. That would be another level, a retest of the monthly open, and holding would be very bullish. And then the last level to look for a pullback for bonk would be in this green zone again, just at the top of it, at the line here. All right, don't go bottom hunting. Don't try and be the hero and try and buy something 5% lower when it's going to go up 10x. All right, so bonk, coin number one for this video, very normie friendly meme, very easily accessible to the masses on Coinbase, right? The only options really are Doge, SHIB, and bonk on Coinbase. And this is bonk's first bull market cycle. So I see bonk doing at least a 10x from here personally. And again, it's the Solana Foundation's chosen meme coin to bring attention to that blockchain. All right, so bonk, coin number one for the video. Let's go ahead and move on to coin number two. Meme coin number two for the video is going to be ticker Bitcoin. Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10 Inu. Has a market cap of $258.7 million currently. Now, the reason this coin is included in this video is this coin has established a true cult. All right, and if you listen or follow somebody like Murad, Mustop Murad on X, he's very bullish on meme coin cults, and he's also actually included this one, ticker Bitcoin, in his top 10 list, and he routinely does tweet about it as well, giving the coin free marketing from one of the most respected people in the crypto meme coin space. So this is the ticker Bitcoin website. As you can see, this is their branding, going for that 1990s Windows look, and they also have a very large following, 45K followers, but their strength really is in their cult and how they stick together, and they're extremely active. They're always replying under posts, shilling ticker Bitcoin. So this is their NFT collection as well. They're called the Sprotos, the Gremlin Sprotos, Sproto Gremlins, and they have a floor price of 2.9 Ethereum, which is about $9,000 for one of these cult ticker Bitcoin NFTs. Right, so there's a lot of money in this ecosystem. 2.9 ETH floor price for these. As you can see, the floor is pretty thin. There's only 3 of them listed at 2.9 ETH. The market cap of the coin is $258 million. There's a lot of money in this ecosystem. All right, true cult, very schizophrenic, and they are very active, very loud and proud. And Murad also is bullish on this one, but nonetheless has a lot of good things going for it. They do have a very short white paper. I'll leave the link to this down in the description below. It's just one paragraph, but nonetheless, they have went ahead and created a white paper for ticker Bitcoin as well. All right, so this is coin number two. Now, looking at the chart, great looking weekly price chart. This is the weekly, all right? So this thing's been in a range for about a year and a half. If we take a date range, and realistically speaking, it got into the range over here in around August of 2023. It broke out of the range on October 7th, the week of October 7th. This was a 420-day range that it broke out of just around a month ago. So it's broken out. It's retested the breakout here now. As you can see, I have drawn a red line across the top breakout level. Price has sold off below, quickly got bought back up, and it's currently holding the breakout line. All right, so the longer the base, the longer the rally. This is a very long base, 420 days, well over a year. This thing's broken out. A big whale sold, which is why it wicked down to 100 million market cap at 10 cents down here. Got bought back up immediately. And now it's looking to break out of the bull flag it's currently in. If we lower the time frame to the 4 hour, we can see this bull flag pretty cleanly. We're looking for the breakout here. All right, this is the third tap of the bull flag. You have 1, you have 2, and you have 3. I think this thing is ready to go. So if you don't have a position in ticker Bitcoin and you want one, I'd be looking in this flag. Now, heads up, they will be unlocking the liquidity in just 3 days time or 2 days time on November 10th at 5 a.m. Long story short, when this pair was created on Uniswap, they went ahead and locked the liquidity for like a year and a half. Well, that date is coming to an end on November 10th. All right, so this may cause some volatility. I do think that the team won't just pull the liquidity and abandon the project, right? There's too much going for this project right now, this meme coin. There's a lot of momentum behind it, so I don't see this really affecting it too much. But if you do see a flash dip on November 10th, this would be why whales selling because of this liquidity unlock. And that's more likely than not going to be a massive opportunity to accumulate this at lower prices. And if that does happen, you can expect the price to come back down between 20 cents and around 13 cents. And that would be your buy levels for Ticker Bitcoin. But in terms of how high this thing can go, I do see it bare minimum going to $1 billion market cap, which would be around a 4x from here. But I think this one has the potential to hit market cap levels of around 5 to 10 billion, if not higher. But nonetheless, we won't keep our price predictions crazy, outlandish moon boy in this video. We'll keep them somewhat realistic for these meme coin assets. And I think $5 to $10 billion can very well happen for Ticker Bitcoin. So this is coin number 2 for the video. Let's go ahead now and move on to coin number 3. Coin number 3 is going to be a meme coin that you've heard me talk a lot about here on the channel. I'm quite bullish on this meme coin. And this one is Bobo the Bear, the Bobo coin. Bobo right now is trading at a $69 million market cap. So this is the lowest market cap coin out of this entire video. All right, just around 70 million. And in terms of Bobo, they also have their own cult and ecosystem going on. This is a long-standing meme. It's been around for well over 1 year. It survived through the harshest of times, and the community absolutely loves this thing. Here's the Bobo the Bear website, bobothebear.io. Very basic meme coin website. Bobo the Bear, a popular meme character that is used to satirize poor investment choices and express pessimism in both crypto and traditional finance markets on Twitter, Reddit, and the biz board on 4chan, among other places on the internet. The Bobo coin is run by Rek Takashi, an OG meme artist who has been creating Bobo content since the meme first gained popularity in 2018. All right, so this project is run by the guy who actually drew the Bobo. That should not be undermined. That's a pretty important thing being in this world of dilution and vampire attacks in the crypto world. Here you have the OG artist behind the coin, which is very bullish. So the total supply is 69 trillion. 8% went to centralized exchange listings. No buy or sell tax either. And listed on a few centralized exchanges, you can see Bitget, MEXC, Gate. Easiest place to buy it would be Uniswap. And they also have their own NFT collection with just a 2,222 supply. All right, these are the Bobo Council NFTs. And right now, these are trading at a floor price of 0.197 ETH. All right, so 0.2 ETH for one of these NFTs. Inside of the Crypto Empire Mastermind, it was back in April 1st. I told everyone I was buying some of these, and at that time, the floor price was 0.13 ETH. And with the price of ETH at that time, that was less than $500. All right, so these have appreciated a little bit from April, but I expect these to be trading over 1 Ethereum as well in the future as the Bobo coin itself does make its rise. I think the Bobo Council NFTs are going to see a massive bid and a lot of demand. All right, so I'm quite bullish on the Bobo ecosystem. And if we go ahead and look at the Bobo chart here, it's a pretty nice looking chart. Similar to many assets we've looked at, it's been in a long range. It topped out over here in June. All right, so also important to know, this thing does nothing for long periods of time and then it explodes in value. Here you can see it went sideways for over half of a year, essentially all of 2023 until February of 2024, and then it pulled a monster rally of over 100x. 160x in around 57 days, 2 months time. Actually 200x in 58 days to the exact top. All right, so this thing is slow and boring for a long time, and then it breaks out and goes wild. After that breakout, it essentially held its floor, right? It didn't give back all of the gains, which is what you see a lot of these meme coins do, which means there is confidence among the holders. These are signs you want to look for. So Bobo, essentially, this was the accumulation phase. This was the manipulation phase when it dropped below the accumulation support level down here. And now we have the expansion phase, this green zone we're in. where I'm simply expecting price to expand massively to the upside. All right, price did just bounce again from that support of the accumulation phase, and it held on the bounce. This very well could have been the bottom, but if this thing continues to be drawn out and just kind of go sideways, you can look for another retest of this yellow line. And just, I'm not sure on the number, the price, because there's so many zeros here, but it's basically 790726 after 6 zeros. All right, so this would be the level that you want to look for on a pullback if given, but I can see Bobo pulling some crazy numbers. I don't think it does another 100x, but I could be wrong. But I can easily see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x's for the Bobo coin. I'm excited for its run up. A 700 million market cap would be a 10x from current price, and 1.4 billion would be 2x or 20x. So this thing can move quite quickly when it breaks out, and I do expect the expansion phase to take effect relatively soon. So those are the 3 meme coins for this video that I see doing really well this cycle. These aren't fresh launches at a 1 million market cap. These have all been around for quite some time, well over 1 year. They have established communities. They have cults behind them, or Bonk has the Solana Foundation behind them, which is better than a cult because they basically have an unlimited war chest to pump the coin like they've already done this year. And again, Bonk is listed on Coinbase. Now, before we wrap the video up, I'll go over one honorable mention on the base chain. The base chain, which is Coinbase's incubated layer 2 blockchain. Essentially a white label of the Optimism network. But nonetheless, the honorable mention meme coin for this video is much higher risk, much lower market cap, but I think it does have massive upside potential, and that is going to be Kendu Inu on base. All right, this thing is showing a lot of strength, and it survived the long choppy period we had for 8 months this year when Bitcoin was sideways. As you can see, this thing ran out of the gate to a $9 million market cap. It pulled back and put in a beautiful rounded bottom. And from that point, it's essentially forming the cup of the handle currently. All right, here's your cup. This is your handle. And price is in that handle just now. So I personally see this one breaking out of this handle and going to price discovery. I'd be looking in this green zone, which is between a 4.5 million market cap and a 2.9 million market cap, to hold as support. So dips into this green zone are opportunity in my opinion. But yeah, the base ecosystem's really heating up, and I think Kendu on base is going to be a winner. So I would look into this one. I don't think it's too late. It's up 5x off of the lows, but I think it's got a lot left in the tank to go into price discovery and make some serious gains here. So in this video, I went over 3 meme coins that I think have a ton of potential this cycle. Again, these aren't new, fresh launches. These are long established memes with history, with a community, with higher market caps than fresh launches, but I still think they have a ton of upside. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you're brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.